Let's make a fancy dessert out of seaweed. You mean to tell me that this isn't what people bring back in coolers after vacation? This is Irish moss. It is a red algae that I harvested off the coast of Maine, and it gels up when it's heated, so we're gonna try and set a panna cotta with it. I don't know, it might fail. First, rinse your moss, otherwise your panna cotta is gonna be salty. Put half the moss in hot water to gel and half the moss in cold water to rest. Next, heat up some soy milk, coconut cream, and sugar on your stovetop. If you're not a filthy vegan like me, then you can just use whole milk and a dollop of heavy cream. Once it starts boiling, add in your cold moss and your spices for flavor. I'm using sweet fern, but you can use normal people things like cinnamon. Then turn down the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. I stirred in some of the hot gel, and now we're gonna strain the whole thing. Make sure you push all of the extra jelly out of the sea moss. It doesn't look good, but I swear it'll look really pretty when it's done. Pour into a mold and put them into the fridge overnight to set, hopefully. So it is definitely gonna need to keep setting, but I put some into a mug sideways and it's staying. It's staying sideways. It might actually work this time. It's set! And let's see how it is. Okay, damn, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And just so you guys can see that I am not like a culinary genius or anything, here are my first 2 tries that did not work. Guys, I'm so scared. It still seems so liquidy, but also the spoon comes out clean. We're just gonna flip it. Ah. What even is this? Here's a video I took at the beach. Kelp carcass.